Another check here on just some ways to stay safe in the heat, because remember, we do still have an excessive heat warning in effect today until 6 p.m. Wear light, loose-fitting clothing if you must be out. Drink lots of water. That is the beverage of choice. You can draw the blinds during the day if you do not have the benefit of an air conditioner. Try to keep some of that solar heating out. And just remember, again, it's like the greenhouse effect. You get that radiation in, but all the hottest radiation is going to stay in there. You only lose some of it. So you end up heating up the interior of a car so much more quickly than you do just being on the outside environment. Check on the elderly, make sure your pets are safe, make sure your kids are okay. This really is the kind of heat that can frankly be dangerous if you're not smart about it. And we talk about it all the time. We see it every single summer. We obviously want to remind you here, just based on the story that we just saw. Taking a look at Storm Scan 3, though, this is going to be our savior when it comes to the humidity. This line of storms at the moment, more so than anything, it's a line, but you've got more pockets of showers and storms that are along it, and that's generally what we're going to find, I would say, later on today. Sitting in a marginal risk for severe weather today, in other words, lowest, as I always say, on the totem pole. It's the lowest risk for severe weather, but we're generally thinking some gustier thunderstorms that could definitely produce heavy downpours, simply because we've just got so much moisture in this atmosphere to work with. So that's where the downpours would come from. Gusty wind, as we mentioned, might want to just